Here we have two cod loins, 160, 180 gram with skin, and we have defrosted here on the plate in room temperature. And you can see here how little water you have on the plate. And that's also because of the way we have processed it very carefully and the way it's frozen. So after it's defrosted like this, I will show you how easy it is to fry it. Shake the water off and then put it directly into the oil. So you can see also when you fry it, it's not coming out any water or liquid out of the fish. Yeah, you can see here how much color the fish takes. And you see also here, after it's cooked, it will flake like a fresh cod will do. You see the loins, the one who is finished fried and the one who is defrosted. And you can see it's not so much different in size. So that's also because of no glazing and no phosphate and the way we catch it and freeze it. And you can see a lot of other fish in the supermarket or whatever you buy with a lot of glazing. It's not possible to do this kind of things without take away a lot of water, dry it a lot and then fry it. So you get a very good result here. I would say it's fresher than fresh.
My promise.